Ever gone out for just one bike ride or beach day and come back and see your skin color goes from this to this? Today, I will show you how to actually remove tan naturally, safely and without burning your skin. Because let's be honest, tan doesn't go with every outfit. Part 1. Why you even tan? Tanning happens when your skin protects itself from UV. Raised sun exposure increases melanin. That's what makes your skin darker. It's not damage you can scrub off overnight. It's your body way of saying, bro, wear sunscreen. Part 2. Quick and effective fixes. Step 1. Cleanse the right way. Mix gram flour, turmeric, and rose water. Apply for 10 minutes and rinse. It helps brighten and soothe the skin. Step 2. Exfoliate smartly. Use coffee plus honey. Scrub in circular motion for 2 minutes. Step 3. Protect daily. Sunscreen is not a lotion. It's your armor. Apply every 3 and 4 hours, especially before stepping outside. Skipping sunscreen is like skipping seatbelts. You will regret it later. Part 3. Myths vs reality. Myth 1. Sunscreen makes you darker. Reality: nope. It prevents tanning. You tan because you don't apply enough. Myth 2. Just rub lemon. Tan will diminish. Reality: lemon can burn your skin. You will lose the tan and top layer of your face. Part 4. Pro tips. Stay cool and confident. Stay hydrated. Water helps repair your skin barrier. Eat up vitamin-rich food, ACE. Avoid harsh scrubbing or bleaching creams. So next time someone says, dude, you got dark, just say, nah bro. That's sunlight appreciation. Hit that like button. Share with this your 10 friends. And remember, don't chase fairness. Chase freshness. See you in the next video. Stay confident and stay glowing. Bye-bye.